Yo. Woo! And just like that,
magic.
I am ready.
She ready.
Okay, so the last finishing touches is Aporro.
Wow.
And I got some new stud earrings that you guys are going to see. And honey, are you wearing some Aporro too? I mean,
yeah.
y'all already know, if you guys watch our YouTube videos, you already fucking know that if you want to up your,
Actually, almost all of this is Aporro.
if you want to up your outfit just a notch, then just put on a little ice from Aporro and it'll just take it to the next level. Look how freaking cute these are. Yep. Dang.
That's dope.
My focus is so fucking lit.
Autofocus on, flick. My piece is the dragon bracelet. Let me see. Boom. It's dope because it's got this little.
Which I'm gonna steal from him.
They'll probably send you another one. Look at that. Look at the craftsmanship.
One last look. Ooh, she got a nice like pleather. Yes, pleather. Pleather suit jacket on with some thigh highs. You guys will see in some pictures.
Good evening.
I love a long sleeve on him.
Do you? A little turtleneck to show some sophistication.
Ugh, I love it.
Let me finish lacing the wrist. The left wrist. The right wrist is already laced with Aporro.